Blog content is absolutely essential for a successful long-term Shopify SEO strategy. While they don't always directly translate to more revenue for your store, their primary function is actually to build your brand's topical authority, which demonstrates to search engines like Google or Bing or whoever that you are the most qualified website on your corner of the internet to sell your specific types of products. One of the most challenging parts of having a solid content strategy for your Shopify store is actually generating relevant topics and angles that provide consistent value to readers in correlation to your specific products. If you're in the trenches of your own company, writing 2, 3, 4, maybe even 5 blogs a month for your Shopify store, this video is for you. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Cromwell. I'm the founder of New Seas. We're an eCommerce SEO agency that works exclusively with Shopify brands, 7, 8, 9 figures, and we've been helping them 3 to 5x their organic traffic and revenue with SEO. And in this video, I'm going to go over 8 evergreen blog ideas and angles that could be consistently reused year over year for your brand and your products so that you never have to encounter a mental block when it comes to identifying what to write for your stores. Let's get to it. First topic, customer success stories. This is probably one of the biggest and best evergreen blog topics that you will have in your arsenal. As long as you have customers and as long as you can incentivize them to send you UGC content, reviews, photos, videos, whatever, you can constantly create a stream of these blogs for your website showcasing your current previous customers' experience, satisfaction, and all of your product's features all at the exact same time. These blogs will go a long way in influencing potential customers and ideally future buyers' decision making as people buy from other people, right? They go with, it's like herd mentality, okay? If 100 people have bought it before them, they want to be the 101st. These kinds of tools, customer success stories, will not show up in SEMrush or Ahrefs. You have got to use your intuition and kind of like gut instincts as a marketer. I guarantee you, however, that these will go a long way in increasing your brand's revenue, especially if you run paid ads and email traffic, even like organic social to these kinds of success story pages. Not to mention, you can also link to the product that's being talked about in the blog itself. Topic number 2, best X for Y. These blogs are highly engaging content pieces that will allow you to showcase probably multiple products from your store depending on obviously what the topic is, and also narrowing down the selection to have the best fit for potential customers. A post like the best sneakers for running long distance or the best lotion for dry skin, that gives you an opportunity to highlight your products in a context that makes them more appealing to your audience. These blogs, again, these single blogs are excellent for capturing long tail keywords and meeting customers that are in the consideration phase of their buying journey. They want to know why they should buy yours or someone else's. Okay, this is a chance to make an argument for your brand. Like most other topics on this list, provide a great opportunity for internal linking to various products and collection pages depending on your product setup, your catalog, all that stuff. And since they're solution oriented, you can also recycle and syndicate these on organic social, maybe even paid social. Topic number 3, tips and tricks. These blogs are extremely handy when it comes to positioning your brand as an authority in your industry. These blogs are definitely more top of funnel. By writing detailed, actionable, valuable guides, you're essentially positioning your brand as an authority figure in your niche, which is going to further increase their likelihood that they actually make a purchase from you. Topic number 4, buyers/gift guides. Buyer's guides, gift guides are perfect for targeting readers with purchase intent. Okay, these are definitely more middle to bottom of funnel blog content ideas, but they give you the chance to showcase your product's unique selling points. And they're ideal for targeting, like I said, high intent, high purchase keywords. If you rank number 1, 2, or 3 for a best gift for Father's Day or whatever, and someone reads your blog and they like what they see, product, price, all that stuff, they're going to purchase something right then. You should create these for every single kind of holiday. If you're a gifting brand, like most of your customers buy these for gifts for the people, you need to have one for every single holiday that you can sell to. Group them by themes like best skincare gifts under $50, best skincare gifts for my girlfriend, best skincare gifts for men, whatever. Topic number 5, us versus them blogs. These are a personal favorite of mine, and again, these probably won't drive like a ton of traffic to your store unless you are like an enormously big store. The goal of these is to position your brand as the premium option. You will not be bashing your competitors. Doing that will blow up in your face. Consumers are naive. They're just gonna go buy it from your competitor, and that's gonna be the end of it. They're gonna know you're vouching for yourself. You don't want that to happen. You have to be unbiased towards your competitor, and you just have to showcase why your product is better and why someone should choose you over the competitors. They're a great way to make a case for your brand. Most of the readers will be visitors with, again, purchase intent that are already in your funnel. They've already been following you, or they've already like narrowed down their category. If they're searching you versus someone else, like they're between 2 choices. Okay, it's coin flip. You want to tilt the odds in your favor. Topic number 6, how-to guides. These guides can actually get a significant amount of traffic. From an SEO perspective, they're ridiculously useful because they naturally align with search intent. Users will go to Google with queries like how to do XYZ, whatever. If you create a guide around a well-researched, well-informed, long-tail keyword, you can target users who are already looking for a solution to the problem they're facing, okay? There are exceptions to this rule. You should not write a how-to guide for every single possible version of your industry or ideal customer persona. Let's say rocking chair, okay? You would not want to write a blog that says DIY how to build your own rocking chair, because if you tell them how to build it, they don't need to buy yours, okay? So use some common sense here, okay? Skip the DIY keywords if you're an e-com brand. Leave those to like tiny bloggers. Topic number 7, seasonal guides. Great for capitalizing on different occasions: Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Easter, 4th of July, Thanksgiving. God, you name it, there's so many. And they're evergreen because as long as the calendar exists, they're coming back around again next year. They can help you target short-term, high-volume keywords that people search and buy quickly, okay? Because everyone waits to buy gifts at the last minute. So if you catch them a few days before Valentine's Day, like February 9th, they're going to buy something they seek. They urgently need to buy something, okay? So if you can catch them on that time, you're going to get a purchase, and your conversion rate's going to be sky high comparatively to the rest of the year. Topic number 8, last one here, product deep dive. Okay, this is the last one. These blogs are great for showcasing the value of your product. They go beyond the basic product descriptions you have, offering a deeper, detailed analysis of your products, features, benefits, USPs, basically anything that you wouldn't be able to communicate in your product description. These blogs are great for capturing mid to high intent traffic, also giving you the ability to internally link to your product page. That should be obvious, as well as similar products that maybe you could bundle, maybe they're lower price, whatever, and the collection as a whole, assuming you have a collection, alongside other deep dive blogs of other products. You definitely don't want to miss out on writing these. They're great for link building and educating prospective customers on your product selection, especially if you're in a fairly complex or difficult to understand category. So that concludes the 8 evergreen blog topics you need for a successful, long-lasting content strategy for your Shopify store's SEO. Make sure to follow me and connect with me on X and LinkedIn. I share new findings and strategies all the time that are working for our clients at our agency, and also my new 5-hour SEO course / community, where I go more in depth on how we're able to add thousands of dollars to not only my clients' MRR, but also to other brands that I'm coaching their MRR consistently, month over month. And if you're a brand looking to get off the paid ads hamster wheel and make 2 to 3, even 5x more organic search traffic or revenue for your Shopify store, make sure to book a free discovery call with us. Link in the description below. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.